Namaste people. So we're going to carry on from our last tutorial where we made this face and we're going to animate this. Before animating this, we need to create other faces as well, which we're going to create from this base faces only. So we'll go to animate. Or actually before animate, I want to make this artboard a little transparent. So I'll go to background and I'll remove, I'll make the opacity as 0, the black blue as 0 as well. This is basically transparent now. Now let me just drag it up here. Now so we have this emoji first. This emoji will be there when the happiness meter or the satisfaction meter is at its max. So when at its max it can be called 100. Let's just say from a scale of 0 to 100 it will be 100. So I'll just name this animation here as 100 on the bottom left. Now we'll create a new animation. Let's name this animation as 75. Now in this animation we need to change its facial features a bit so it looks a little less happy. So yeah, we'll in the mouse we'll go to edit vertices and we'll start editing vertices and make the smile a little smaller. It will still be smiling, but it will be a little smaller, a more flat smile. Let's just now in the eyes we'll go to edit vertices and we'll bring this circle down, not much. I'll do the same with this edit vertices, bring this a little down. So now it still looks happy, but not as much as it used to. Yeah, I think this should be fine. We'll move the eyeballs a little where the slider would be at that time, around 75%. Yeah, so, yeah, okay. So it will be looking somewhere around here. So this is the 75% mark. This looks a little less happy, right? So this is okay for 75. Now let's make a 51. Name it as 50. And for this, I'll make the face a zigzag one. It's like indifferent face, right? I'll go here. We'll do this. This. So this looks like indifferent, right? I'll just drag this down, drag this one up a bit, not much. I'll do the same with this. Drag this a little bit down. Drag this one up a bit. So this looks good. I'll move the eyeballs exactly at the 50 point. It should be looking there at the moment. Right. Now it is looking at 50. This looks very indifferent. This is good for 50. Now let's make one for 25. For 25, I think it should have a slanted poker face kind of thing. So I'll select this, edit vertices. So let's just actually start from here and slant it down from here. A little slant, not much. Okay, this is a little too much slant. I'll edit the slant a bit. So this looks okay. Yeah. Similarly, I will also change the eyes a bit. First of all, I'll bring my eyeballs to around here and drag them up a little bit. I'll do the same with this one. Oh, no. Now this. Okay, so this is not going to look exactly the same as I showed in the first video, but it's going to look a little same. I'm not referring to that, but I'm just thinking about myself how this should look at 25% if I was 25% happy or not happy 25%. It can change. You can change this also. As you can see, it's very easy to change all that. Yeah, so this looks a little disappointing at 25%. Now we'll make one for 0. It should be downright very, very sad. So we'll make it sad. Yeah, so we'll make it sad. We'll just invert this face here. Right, and I'll translate it a little side. This looks sad. That's sad. Make the eyeballs at this side a little bit up because I'm going to translate the eyes as well. So, and this they should be very near to crying, basically. Right. Okay. This is looking little too much to the left. I'll slide it down a little bit. Here. So this looks at the bottom left now. Yeah. I think this is good enough. So we have, okay, I didn't name it. I'll name it 0. So yeah, so we have all of our faces. This is for the 0 one, for 25, for 50, 25, and for 100. Yeah, so we have all our faces. Now we need to animate them. To animate them, we'll see that in the next video actually. This has been a bit long. So if you've liked my course till now, please do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll be having a ton more of videos on Flutter and ton more videos on Flutter and Android development as a whole. So please stay tuned and subscribe.